This will remain the house of every person in Europe. Together we must stand up for the politics of hope, for the dream that is Europe.
Meet Roberta Metsola, who will be leading the European Parliament until January 2027. In July 2024, she was re-elected for a second term with 562 votes ahead of the other candidate, Irene Montero. A lawyer by training, Metsola is Parliament's youngest ever president. She was elected for the first time in 2022 on her 43rd birthday. She's the 17th person to hold the post since the first European elections in 1979, and the first woman to be elected by the members of the European Parliament to lead the institution for 2 consecutive terms. Metsola was the first leader of an EU institution to visit Ukraine after Russia's full-scale invasion in 2022, and is a strong supporter of Kyiv's bid to join the EU. Every 2.5 years, members of the European Parliament elect the President to oversee its most important activities, from plenary sessions to meetings of political group leaders. The President signs off on the EU budget and new laws approved by MEPs, and makes sure Parliament is following its own rules. The President is Parliament's voice in other EU institutions, like the European Council, where national leaders decide on EU priorities, and in the wider world, on official visits inside and outside Europe.